Hi, we will continue learning addition. In earlier video, we learned to add two numbers using number line. In this video, I will teach you a new method to add two numbers. In this method, you will learn to add two numbers on your fingers. You are already familiar with this picture of two hands. You have learned how to count numbers on fingers. Now let us see how to add two numbers using fingers. So for easy understanding, I have written numbers on each finger. Let us follow few rules to perform addition using fingers. For any addition example, you will have two numbers to add. You will take first number and count it on your fingers. Now your half task is done. You will take a little pause for few seconds before we go to next step. After this, we will take second number and count it on your fingers. But this time, you need to start counting from where you paused. In other words, you need to forward counting second number from where the first number counting ended. After this, take overall count to get the final result. Okay, let me explain this. Here we need to add 2 and 4. So, as per the rule, first we have 2. So, let us count 2 on the fingers. So, we have 1 on the thumb and 2 on the index finger. For the second number, we have 4. For the second number, we will start counting from where we left. So, we will start counting from middle finger. Now, we need to count 4 from middle finger. So, we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. We counted 4 from middle finger. Now, we will take overall count from start. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We reached at 6. So, sum of 2 and 4 is 6. This is the answer. Simple, isn't it? Let us take one more example. In this case, we need to add 3 and 5. We need to count 3 first. So we have 1, 2 and 3. Now we need to count second number, that is 5, from ring finger. So this is where we stopped. We stopped at middle finger. So next number we need to start from next finger, that is from ring finger. So we need to count 5 from ring finger. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let us take overall count. We have 1 here, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. You can also see here I have written number on each finger so that we can count it easily. So we have reached at number 8, and here also when we took overall count, then we reached at number 8. That means sum of 3 and 5 is 8. This is the answer. Here I have written numbers on each finger to make counting simple. But when you do it on your own, then try to memorize first number on your finger, and for the second number, start counting from where you paused. Let us bring few more examples. This time I will not write number on each finger. Okay, first we have 1 plus 5. We will follow same process. Mark 1 on the left hand. We have 1 here. And after that we need to count second number, that is 5, from left hand's index finger, from this finger. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. See where we reached? We reached at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So sum of 1 and 5 is 6. Okay, hope this concept is clear to you. We will take one more example. Here we have 4 plus 3. First we need to count 4. We have 1, 2, 3 and 4. After that we need to count 3. So 1, 2 and 3. We need to take overall count. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We reached at 7. So sum of 4 and 3 is 7. The process is very simple. Also, when you memorize numbers on your fingers, then this will help you to add two numbers even faster. Okay, in the next video, I will bring one more way to add two numbers. Thanks for watching.